मधुर बजाज साहब, इंडिया का गर्व हैं आप। आदाब। इंडिया का गर्व भी हैं आपकी फैमिली, किस तरीके से अम, इंडिया को कहाँ से कहाँ से कहाँ से कहाँ लेके गई है, बिजनेस में भी। आज लोगों को हम लोग के ज़रिए आप लोग के कल्चर जो इनग्रेन है, जो रूट्स हैं आप लोगों के, उसका भी पता लगेगा। आप लोग की फिलैंथ्रोपी का पता सारी दुनिया को है, ख़ास तौर से स्कूल्स में भी है, कल्चर में भी है। But I want to say he is, for viewers, of course, you know that he is the vice chairman of Bajaj Auto Limited, which has been recently declared as the world's most valuable two-wheeler company. He is also involved with other Bajaj group companies as a director on the board. Oh, he's from Doon School and Dehradun, and that is another amazing affinity because my father settled down in Dehradun and left the urban cities. So, for you to grow up in the environment of those kinds of trees and foliage is also a lovely common denominator and factor. Um, Madhur Bhai has, of course, got the Vikas Ratan Award and from the Friendship Society of India. So many more things that I can talk about, which you all can also see from his Wikipedia and various information from the net. But I want to today, because it is Abba Ustad Vilayat Khan's Barsi also this month and on the 13th of March, I wanted to share time with people he loved. I wanted to share time remembering him the way you all have seen him before I was born, after I was born, when I grew up, all your life. And I believe that, which you will tell everybody else, that you knew him before you were born and you heard his music before you were born. So let's start with that. Madhur Bhai's mother, Vimla Devi Behenji, everybody calls her Vimla Behan, but amazing, amazing connoisseur and artist of sitar. Um, Learned from Abba, Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab also. And she was a performer of, not just a performer of sitar, but a thinker of music. And many, many hours a day she spent in music. Now, please tell me about that. And how did you know Abba before you were born?
Thank you so much for having me. My favorite musician has been your Abba for years and decades, as you know. I'm a fan of yours also, incidentally, as you've done a lot of stage programs. I proudly say that my music started before I was born.
Yeah.
The reason for that is my mother, who was the musician in the family and used to play the sitar and was always wanting to have the best gurus. And she was so fortunate to have Abba as her guru when I was in her tummy. And she used to tell me that whenever Khan Sahab used to start playing, I would roll and tumble and kick in the tummy to make it difficult for her and inconvenient for her to play. And I mean, she would say, you would dance in my tummy. And that's why I say that I started learning music before I was born, and from no less a person than Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab himself.
It's a karmic connection, I would say. Karmic connection. It's amazing. Amazing.
No, and I tell you, she told me that when I put some other musician or some music, that time I would not move. It was only when Abba Jan would start his Gai Ki Ang, which we'll come to that time.
Amazing.
I believe, I remember my mother telling me that, you know, sitar was actually initiated by Vilayat Khan Sahab. It was a heavier instrument, and he wanted the sitar to sing what is now popularly known as the Gai Ki Ang.
Yeah.
Sitar would literally sing in his hands, and therefore he realized that it has to be a softer instrument, a more melodious, sweeter instrument, and that was the creation of the sitar. So I gave a lot of credit for the sitar being what it is today to him. And even today, when I walk, every day I walk, it is, apart from other music, basically it is his sitar that I walk on. I do 8,000 steps every day, and I need music in the background, and you can imagine that Abba Jan's music is the foremost. I remember many years ago, I do not know whether you remember, when you had put your son to an educational institution in Pune. At that time, I sent my car to pick you up from the airport to get you to my house for lunch. And as it happened, you reached earlier than I came from office. And while coming on the way, you told the driver to put on the music. And I had not done it for you. Believe me, I had not done it for you. It was naturally Vilayat Khan Saab's sitar, which was there. You may have been pleasantly surprised to hear that. But what you did was fantastic, something innovative. You told the driver that when Madhur comes at the gate, start the music, open the doors so that he can hear Abba's music as I come from the gate. And my God, what an experience that was. When I came from the gate, the musical beauty of your father was so enthralling. And it was such a wonderful thing. Nobody has ever done that. So that was fantastic.
Wow, you remember? For me, every memory connection with all of you is with that. And then how we listened to some old recordings that you had in your drawing room and your open space, and we were just listening to something after the other and something after one after the other. I must say that every memory has that some anecdote attached to it, and everything is. So for me, it's different because, but I'm surprised and pleasantly surprised, and maybe I should not be because you are Vimla Ben's son. I also say Vimla Ben because though we were very little, but her affection and love when she used to come to Nepean Road was amazing. I mean, that kind of softness and that love. Oh, pyar. She and Prabhuda auntie also stays in Juhu, but she used to earlier stay in Khar and come to learn from Abba in Nepean Road every day in the afternoon. तो उनका वो 10 पैसा हम लोग को देना, वो 10 पैसे में बहुत कुछ मिल जाता था, वो चॉकलेट भी हो जाएगा, ये भी है वो भी है, तो वो 10 पैसा रोज मिलता था. So I'm just saying that ये जो एक प्यार है, ये जो एक तरीका है ना, and I believe I read in your Heritage Bajaj Facebook link that she used to practice 6 to 8 hours a day sometimes.
That's correct. That's correct.
I mean,
she was so fond of sitar, but she was very fortunate to have the best of gurus, the best of people. You know, you mentioned some names, but of course her favorite was your father. But
I must say
yes,
one thing. I must say, please here, I want to interject just for a second, Madhur Bhai. आशीर्वाद और ज्ञान देने की चीज तो है, लेकिन लेने की चीज ज्यादा है।
क्या बात, वाह, क्या बात।
आशीर्वाद दे तो सबको एक जैसा देते हैं, या ज्ञान सब स्टूडेंट्स को एक जैसा दे देते हैं, बच्चों को, लेकिन लेना जो है, स्वीकार करना, उसको लेना और पीना, इम्बाइब करना, और उसको यूसेज में ले आना जिस्म के डीएनए के अंदर, ये शागिर्द का काम है।
क्या बात
ये
बोली आपने,
So I
क्या
feel
बात।
that it's doesn't matter where she learned from. It is her learning, her thirst, her journey, her karma of this life, what she wanted to make it into. To spend time for 6 to 8 hours in music is a journey of life. It's a path that you choose. It's not just happening to you.
If you talk about the top musicians, the legends, etc., for them, music was their life. I mean, that was their, not only the focal point, but it was their entire life.
Yeah, absolutely.
Um, I'm sure Abba would also be playing for 6 to 8 hours every day.
14, 12, 14 hours a day. 14 hours a day. Not when we were born, but when he was practicing in his teenage,
Yeah.
till many, many years in his 20s, 12, 14 hours a day. And also, yeah, yes.
But I must give credit to my mother, because she needed chaperone to take her to the various music programs.
Huh.
And he somehow saw me for my emotions or my softness, that I would be a potential music lover. And she would take me to these programs. And, my family thought at that young age, taking him to a classical music program, he will get bored, but I never got bored.
No, that I feel
Somehow,
one-
and that instilled the beauty of music. And that's why I see these music programs, and I believe Indian Idol is something which
Oh, I love
you also
Indian
see.
Idol also. Yes, and how we share messages every Sunday. आज कौन अच्छा गा रही है, कौन अच्छा गा रहा है, कौन सा बच्चा अच्छा है, since years now. Your musicality. Oh, I wish at some point later when you can take some pictures from also Neeraj Bhai's room, house, where your mother has kept all the instruments in this huge room with
Oh,
instruments
yes.
जमीन से ceiling तक लगा लगा के
Yeah.
पूरे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स अभी भी रखे हैं, वो वाले जो उस वक्त पे वो बजाती थी और जमा किए उन्होंने. प्लीज
मेरा भी छोटा सितार है उसमें, मेरा भी छोटा सितार है उसमें.
भाई सच्ची में. And your daughter who started dancing and learned very, very diligently
And became a teacher of
and
dancing.
became a teacher of dance. I mean, ये बताइए जरा सा, उसका इंटरेस्ट भी आपको देख देख के हुआ होगा थोड़ा बचपन से.
मुझे डांस में भी का शौक था. इनफैक्ट बिफोर सितार, my mother was also learning dancing together with sitar. So my first steps were at the age of 3 of dancing. Then at the age of 4, I picked up the sitar. And at the age of 7, I and my younger brother, who was playing the tabla, we gave 2 stage programs, one in front of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru when he was the Prime Minister of the country.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So these are memories to be cherished,
My gosh. And how? And how? And how?
But one thing which I must tell you, Rhythm House is no longer there, but it used to have the various CDs of Abbaji.
Yes.
And I went one day and got all the CDs, because I wanted to hear every one of them, and each one. I mean, if you remember Rag Shankara, I tell you, there are certain rags which I keep on hearing again and again.
How we are talking about Shankara today, and it's Mahashivratri. Just imagine.
Oh God!
Just imagine, out of the blue,
My God, I didn't
I
even
have to
connect.
tell you an incident of Shankara. Abba was in his 20s. He said, this is going in my book also about him, that he was sitting and playing Shankara for many, many days. He used to have days and days of playing a certain rag. And he actually, at one time, he said he was sitting like this. He was sitting and playing, and he opened his eyes. It was night, and he saw Shankar Bhagwan sitting there.
Oh my
And he
God.
said, and the way he explained it, he said वो ऐसे बैठे हुए थे, exactly ऐसे करके, और ऐसे करके वो सुन रहे थे. He says his face, though he was sitting like this, but his face was as if it is covering the whole room. He said his face was as if from the ceiling to here I could see just the face, and the face was also darkish and all that, but his eyes, just the way. So Abba had a very huge, big connection with Shankar Bhagwan, Shankar ji, in many ways. In his Tandav also, when he used to, for justice, he was very righteous, and sometimes to his I mean, sometimes it wasn't good for him to be so righteous, and he knew it, but he couldn't help himself. So he did that too. But mm, so that memory of Shankar and Shankara,
Yeah.
and even the record cover is amazing. Amazing record
Oh
cover.
yes, oh yes. I still remember चटाई है,
हाँ.
चटाई पे बैठे हैं. I still.
वो लाल रंग का कालीन with the
Ah,
with a tiger skin का
that's correct.
हाँ,
And
tiger
kurta,
skin
beautiful
का
kurta
वो
pehne.
beautiful sherwani, and the red carpet, Afghani carpet, red and black Afghani carpet
Right.
पीछे.
Yeah. I mean,
Lovely.
these are memories which you can live with, all your life.
Absolutely. I mean, and you must have gone to many concerts of his at that time, and you must have heard him then,
Absolutely. And
and you must
the
have heard
great
him
thing
later.
is, absolutely. And the great thing about him was there was one Tabalchi who used to come to our house, and he was, not of that level, but, he wanted to promote these youngsters, if I may say, or those who are B class to A class. I mean,
Of course.
for him, playing with Ustad Bilal Khan Sahab was something of a dream come true. And I tell you, he practiced and practiced and practiced to, be able to come to some level. And when Vilayat Khan Sahab praised him in front of the crowds, that made his life. I mean, it transformed his life. That was the beauty. I still tell you, there are today musicians who would not sing a duet with somebody who would be B class. If they were A class, they would not sing. But that was the greatness of the man. I mean, so not only he was a great musician, but he was a great human being.
And many tabla players, I remember. Yes. Many tabla players he gave a chance to and started their careers and brought them on that top level. Absolutely. And so many. I mean, even till I was with him, whenever he was always, I remember they used to ask me, Zila Bahen, Abba se Abba ke saath mera concert kara do, because I used to look after his work. I was like Senaz is to you. I was his secretary. Also, I was everything rolled into. हाँ, मेरा तो उन्होंने लेटर हेड भी बनाया था मेरा. अब्बा ने
क्या बात।
वो उसमें लिख के उस्ताद विलायत खान एंड सेक्रेटरी ने पीए टू उस्ताद विलायत खान. आई स्टिल हैव दैट लेटर पैड बाय द वे. हाँ, जिला खान पीए टू
You know,
उस्ताद विलायत
PA
खान.
is very close to PR, you know.
Yeah, because he didn't want to use the word secretary, he didn't want to use the
No,
word
no, no.
manager, he never had a manager.
No, no.
So PA to उस्ताद विलायत खान, वो खुद उन्होंने सोच के मेरा लेटर है, क्योंकि सारे जो लेटर्स आते थे वापस जब हम कभी लिखते थे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को फ्रॉम हिम, तो वो मिस्टर जिला खान के नाम से आते थे. मिस्टर. They thought there was this big guy, some guy who was sending it. All these people,
You have been very fortunate to be so
Yeah.
close to him.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And about his education, everybody knows that he wasn't academically educated, but he would choose just the right word for whatever he wanted in English for what he wanted to convey in his dictation. I was
Oh, yes.
amazed with आपकी जो लैंग्वेज होती है ना, but that is because he spent a lot of time with your family, and these are things that he picked up. He self-learned these things from people and families like yourself, because
You learn a lot on the job. Yeah.
Yes.
You learn a lot on the
वो
job.
जो है ना,
And
appropriate चीज कहना जिसमें बैलेंस रहे, ना ज्यादा ना कम. उफ. The things that you all do in business, that you have to do in business, that the language is different. He imbibed all that from you all, and his close friends who are amazing multi-billionaires, और वो क्या वो आप लोग जैसे लोग जो लेकिन ये सीखा उन्होंने और अडेप्ट किया, and he would come up with just exactly what he wanted to convey. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे लिखो, ये वाला वर्ड यूज करो उसमें.
हम लोगों को सिखाया जाता था प्रेसी, कि
हाँ,
because we are very verbose, हम लोगों को कुछ चीज डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए several sentences लगते थे, but he would pick and choose and be precise. हम लोगों को तो lessons learn करने पड़ते थे, how to make a thing into shorter version, what is called précis. But he was naturally, précis would come out of him.
Well, he learned while growing up.
Very
everything.
naturally.
He learned ballroom dancing. He learned so many things that he self-taught himself in different ways from different places and different people and different environments. He learned to appreciate good things, good carpets. When he used to talk about chandeliers and cut glass and not just ordinarily, but go into the detail of it. तो समझ में आता था कि हर चीज़ उन्होंने अपने आप को कितनी सिखाई है और कितना इंटरेस्ट है सीखने में हर चीज़ों को. And even saving money. And so he was one of those few people, he was the only artist at that time who used to live like a king. He used to live like a billionaire, and he was an artist. वो शॉल, वो गाड़ी, वो घर, वो आश्रम जैसा घर, annexes and outhouses outside, with शागिर्द staying there, उनके लिए खाना बन के दे जा रहा है, इतर का शौक, several row suits का शौक, handmade shoes and so many things, good jewelry.
I still remember when he used to enter the stage, his presence was mesmerizing. I mean, I still remember, it has been many, many years, but I still remember his presence was so delightful. It was so appealing. It was so fantastic. So you're absolutely right.
Many years later, a journalist had written that वो अपने हीरे और ये सब पहन के, So after that, his only way of answering is not by articles, but he used to then answer on stage. So he said, किसी ने बहुत अच्छे तैयार जबरदस्त कॉन्सर्ट के बीच में जब ऑडियंस बिल्कुल बेहोश हो गई उनके मधुर म्यूजिक से, तब वो जरा रोक के कहते थे, आजकल के लिखने विखने वाले मेरे हीरो से चकाचौंध हो जाते हैं, यू नो, हाँ, बिकॉज कि चकाचौंध हो जाते हैं। मैं तो इसलिए अच्छी चीज़ें पहन के आता हूँ ताकि मैं अपनी ऑडियंस को इज्जत दे सकूं, ताकि मैं मखमल में टाट का पेवन ना लगूं। My audience is so elite and so intelligent and intellectual that if I dress shabbily and if I come just, it will not be respectful towards them, and I don't want to be a jute, a patch of jute in this milieu of the audience's velvet.
Yeah.
I mean, for him to be that way, carry himself that way, and also feel so humble about it. And not just,
Absolutely.
he didn't do it to show off, he did it because he liked the essence of higher thinking and living, and just just the beauty of it, to elevate yourself as a human being. I love that fact about him.
He knew how to use your word, elevate the audience to higher levels. Whatever he did, I believe, was to elevate the audience. So he did it not for himself as much as to see that the audience
It's a
felt
different high.
better, greater, and more happier.
Amazing.
So, I mean, I tell you, legends like him don't
Oh, yes.
come again and again.
Oh, yes.
So, my tributes to you and him. And
Tribute to him.
I'm so happy that through you, I was able to remember him so closely.
Always,
And,
always. Whenever we are on
and
the
I used to go to his concerts. I never missed his concerts whenever they were in Bombay. But he used to also give some, to his friends, some private shows, etc.
yes,
Which,
yes,
I mean,
yes,
he
yes.
he didn't mind if, he was not caring for millions of audience, though he's in millions of hearts.
Yes, yes, yes.
Even if 3 people who were art lovers, he wouldn't mind that.
Yes,
That's what I feel.
yes.
That's a great quality.
Dr. Suresh Parekh was his cardiologist here in Bombay, in South Bombay, Pedder Road. So he would never take money from Abba, all the while that he used to take care of him when in Abba's 40s and 50s. And Abba used to feel that, he never takes money and it's sad, but how to. So then he told Suresh bhai, मैं आपके घर पे concert दूंगा.
Yeah.
Suresh bhai, of course, was bowled over naturally. So he called all of you and everybody, and on his terrace, then he had this huge, everybody remembers that also, jisme Parveen Sultana Phuppi with her husband Dilshad ji, and they had also come, and most of you all had come at that concert also, and everyone. So these are house concerts that he did from his heart, because he didn't know how else to have this close knit music again. And he loved that. With all of you, he loved that.
He taught us, how to enjoy classical music. You see, aap logon, for you people, it's ingrained within your bones and inside. But for those who are novices, classical music is not so easy to enjoy. But
Naturally.
his melodies, his, as I said, Gaiki Ang, even if a person did not understand, I mean, foreigners who did not understand Indian music in general, the melody is something which, you don't need to understand anything about. It's just a sweet sound of music. And that used to emanate from every sur of his.
Yeah.
I mean, the way his fingers used to move and his mead, I mean, I would always be scared that the wires would snap, you know.
Yeah.
But
How long has it
amazing.
been since you haven't played your sitar?
oh, you know, it's not easy to play sitar once in a blue moon. It's not possible. Because sitar, as you know, the strings are very thin. If you rub them, it's like rubbing your fingers against a blade.
Absolutely.
If I play sitar now, it will not be the same thing because I will not be able to move my fingers because they have become soft. I remember I used to always feel my mother's fingers.
The corn.
They were
Thet.
hard. Correct.
Like
hard like a stone. Because then only you can rub through the wires,
the
which are
corns
so
are
thin.
made. First, the skin is broken into by playing, and it's played and played so that a corn forms inside. Corn.
Right.
And
Correct.
उसको हम लोग हिंदी में कहते हैं ठेठ. ठेठ. ठेठ बना लेना. ठेठ बनाते हैं. तो वो प्रोसेस होता है पूरा, कट के ही उंगली फिर वो ठेठ बनते हैं, जिसमें फिर उतनी ज्यादा वो नहीं होती अनलेस द बजाते बजाते तार जंप हुए और कहीं और लग जाए फिर से, तो वो अलग.
हाँ, वो बात है.
But you should do it with a band-aid maybe.
Yes, my mother used band-aid very often. नहीं, but मैंने भी खून, लेकिन you know, I was happy जब खून आता था ना.
हाँ.
तो
it's like a
खुशी होती थी.
डिग्री मिल गई, डिग्री.
Exactly. So my tributes to you and Appa. I have so many memories. You know, we can go on and on, but I feel that just thinking about him, meditating about him, is a tribute to him.
Wow. I'm sure he's sitting and watching us and enjoying how beautifully we are remembering him. और वो भी मजे में सुन रहे हैं कि हाँ, मेरी यादें तुम लोग भूल नहीं सकोगे कभी जिंदगी में.
लेकिन मेरी बधाई है आपको कि आपने उनको जिंदा रखा.
नहीं, वो तो हमारे लिए खुशनसीबी तो है ही, और हम लोग की खिदमत आपकी हमारी हर तरीके से. I know you've always said that whatever we can do. Also tell me that कुमुद जी जब अपने वहाँ सिखाती हैं अपने स्कूल में, आपके औरंगाबाद के स्कूल में, वो बच्चे म्यूजिक करते हैं? You have a huge school in Aurangabad.
You will not believe it. आपको मैं टेप भेजूंगा. If you have seen the movie Titanic,
of course,
उसमें जो टाइटल सॉन्ग है, जब वो लोग शिप में, जो फेमस सॉन्ग है, इज करेक्ट, वो वाला. छोटे बच्चे गा रहे हैं. I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe it. It's not easy to sing for elder people also. These small children singing in tune. I mean,
can we start? I mean, can we start teaching 10-15 children the Gaiki Ang of Sitar maybe?
Beautiful thought. I fully support it.
Inshallah.
I fully support it.
I'll do it from my heart, and I'll have the best after they become good. Then we'll have them learn from the best of the best. We'll ask Shahid Bhai.
No, but then are you talking about sitar or you're talking about vocal?
I'm talking about sitar also, vocal also. Vocal तो हम भी.
क्या vocal में तो गायकी अंग है ही. I mean,
हाँ, वो तो है ही. But I
to
was
bring
thinking of
vocal
sitar
into
also.
sitar. Yeah,
है ना?
that is the important thing, you know.
Let's.
See, the closest instrument um, to singing, which do you consider?
Is the flute?
Which would be the closest instrument to singing?
Flute, I think. Dhwani hai na, dhwani. Without anything, hai na? I thought.
I know
maybe.
flute is very close to it, but you know,
Sarangi?
जो always accompany, हाँ, जो कि always is accompanied.
Sarangi.
Yeah. Usman Khan, who plays it? I mean, it really sounds as if somebody is singing.
Oh yes, Sultan Khan Sahib used to play it. Ram Narayan.
Ah, Sultan
ji.
Khan Sahib,
And
sorry,
Ram
Sultan
Narayan
Khan.
ji, my gosh, amazing sarangi players. Before that,
So it is more difficult for sitar to get into that league.
yes,
if I
yes,
may.
yes, it is. Sitar was always with 2 or 3 notes ka bas, 2 notes ki meaned. And Sitar Khani Gat, the compositions were also mainly like that. Until then Abba brought the Gaiki and the vocal style, which means da 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 jha. Oh, beautiful bandish of his. झांझर बाज रही कैसे के करवाऊं पास सब जाग रही झांझर बाज. I mean, this is his composition, and it is so. This is Gaiki Ang, where there is it's not da 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 da. So the faster bandish is like a sitar khani thing. Sakhi mori room jhoom karwahi sakhi mo. वो पिया के पग चूम कर आई सखी मोरी रूम झूम कर आई. तो ये सितार खानी में जो गते हैं, इट हैज़ मोर फ्रेट का काम. एंड सितार खानी से जो बिल्कुल अलग वो एक गायकी अंग फॉर एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, वो जो एक मींड से अलग मींड खींच के उसको लेके आना, 6-7 मींड. रे नी दा रे सा रे रे न न रो. तो ये जो चीजें हैं वो बहुत ही I just
बहुत
think this is his, both are his bandishes.
क्या बात है, वाह. In fact, Birju Maharaj ji used to see, you know, we had a music room, and he used to take from his grandfather, actually. You know, I mean, his father and grandfather. So he would mention that ye Bindadin ji, unki bandisheं हैं, you know.
Oh, yes.
And because Birju Maharaj ji himself is a good singer, apart from being a dancer. Now, of course,
Maharaj is god of Kathak. I mean, god in dancing.
God of Kathak.
Amazing.
Just like Vilayat Khan Sahib was god of sitar, I would consider him god of Kathak. But you know, these people were multifaceted. They knew tabla, they knew singing, you know, because they were all kind of accompanying the main thing. You know?
Yeah, also, I think their research and their thinking was so ingrained into all this so much that wherever it is, they knew how to imbibe it in music. Even I mean, everything, like a microphone, उसको इस्तेमाल कैसा कर लो अपने लिए, उसको आगे करने के लिए. कहीं से नगारे टकारे के बोल, वो जो मंदिरों में और दरगाहों पे बजता है नगारा
होते
टकारा,
हाँ
तो नगारा kirtatun tunnatitita. So this bandish that I sang of Abbas, Sakhi mori room jhum karai, it has kirtatun tunnatitita, kirtatun natitita, kirtatun natitita, kirda titita, din tada, dhatitita, tun tada, dhatitita, tun tada. So
हाँ
he also put that in the antra of it.
yeah.
Um,
And he would sing, you know, just like you were singing, he would sing.
oh yes, oh yes.
Yeah.
So for me, when I sit and sing, I have to say this. So many people say, "Why- how come I have so many expressions?" Well, I have these expressions because I used to look at only him day and night and him playing and singing. If he had those expressions naturally as a student, I have those expressions. I mean, okay, if my brother didn't feel those expressions, didn't have it, it's fine. But if somebody does, so it's okay. I mean, it's not as if I'm imbibing a theatrical something into it. This is exactly how I sang at home.
Do you know, I don't know how many people have told you that, but आपके चेहरे में अब्बास जी की झलक दिखती है.
सब कहते हैं. प्यार है ना, सब कहते हैं, क्योंकि खुशबू वही है. I know that because I've hero worshipped him with his faults, but I've hero worshipped him. I've corrected him in so many ways. In the sense, I've taught him how to forgive. In the end, many things. I taught him forgiveness, which he did, but he after a few chances he would just say cut off with certain relations, and then of course I used to tell him that no, that person has made a mistake. It's okay. It's their age, or it's that circumstances, or this or that. So many relations, but his whole aura. I love it so much, and I've grown up seeing just that. That of course there will be that khushbu in it, and also the closeness. Like I feel very excited and affinity towards people whom he was close to and whom I have known since childhood. It's a different kind of closeness. I mean, it's a different. So he had that thing. हमारे बहुत रिश्तेदार बहुत गरीब भी थे, जिनको what he learned also from you all. फिलान्थ्रपी तो होती थी और बहुत अच्छे से, और हमने अपनी किताब में भी लिखा है उन्होंने अपने परदादा से क्या सीखा और क्या क्या. But he also had an account which was only for widows. So उनका जो पैसा, whatever he used to earn from that, जो उसका परसेंटेज है वो एक अलग अकाउंट में रहता था, और उसके चेक बुक वगैरह सब अलग थे. इट वाज ओनली टू सेंड टू विडोज एवरी ईयर एंड एवरी 3 months. वो ये जो एक मोहब्बत है ना, एंड इट वाजंट जस्ट फॉर विडोज everywhere. I mean, I used to handle it, so I know it. But even his own रिश्तेदार, सबकी शादियां, सबका ये सबका वो, which was
You know, earlier days, Raja Rajwade sponsor करते थे
जी.
For cultural event. That role has to be played because Raja Rajwade तो नहीं रहे.
जी.
So that role now has to be played by industrialists like us. We must play that role.
Which you do.
That message must go to industry.
Yes, I think in Bombay and in India, there are hardly any cultural events जिसमें बजाज की sponsorship नहीं होती है. सब जगह होती है, from theatre to concerts to everything. I mean, amazing. And
But I feel we have not done enough. I think we should do much more. And I'm glad to sponsor this project of yours. मेरे को इन्वॉल्व करिए उसमें।
जरूर, बच्चों को अलग अलग अच्छे बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्टों से सिखवाते हैं। और वैसे और अब्बा का थोड़ा ये गायकी अंग जो है, यू नेवर नो कौन कैसा जेम निकल आए कहाँ से फिर
यू नो,
से।
मेरा एक सपना था कि एक गुरुकुल,
जी, आई नो यू।
जहाँ पे अलग अलग कॉटेजेस होंगे, यू डोंट नीड महल्स, कॉटेजेस होंगे,
बिल्कुल।
जहाँ पे एज यू नो के there are 8 types of dances in the Indian dance repertoire. There are different instruments, sitar being one of them. So I thought that I will make, let's say, 50 cottages. Each cottage will have a guru, which will teach, let's say, 8 different types of Indian dance, different musical instruments, and so on. And of course, there would be a common canteen and other facilities which are required for them to lead a good life, so that they live there. We want the students and the guru to live there, but you know, it would be a kinship 24/7, and that kind of a thing which I dreamt of. But we will start in a small way with this project of yours, and then maybe we could grow it to other parameters like dance and other things.
Oh yes, जैसे हजारों बच्चे आप लोग के स्कूल्स में पढ़ते हैं, वैसे ही हजारों बच्चे एक दिन, चाहे आप हम रहें न रहें, एक चीज शुरू कर देते हैं और हजारों बच्चे एक वक्त वो सीखा करेंगे ऐसे गुरुकुलों में। बिल्कुल।
You know, I was chairing the Women's Empowerment Committee of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. And I tell you, I had such powerful ladies in my committee. I said, I'm changing the name immediately to Men's Empowerment Committee. With you people now, men need empowerment. But I really feel that things have progressed.
Of course.
Women are coming to the fore. They are breaking the glass ceiling, if I may put it that way. And now Bajaj Auto, which did not have for many, many decades, not years, but decades, not a single lady. Now we have a very good portion of ladies, and we find that our performance, as you said,
has
we have
enhanced a bit,
achieved the most valuable two-wheeler company in the world. I would say a lot of credit goes to the ladies.
Wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes, exactly. And especially you all can do it where it really matters. We are privileged, so it's okay because we grew up in an equality kind of environment. Yes. But you can do it where it really matters, where from rural sectors and from many different kinds of social environments, groups, when women can start working and earn and be the breadwinner of the family, or start earning or be slightly independent that way, it makes a huge difference there.
As you know, we are doing a lot of rural development. And in 10 years, the ladies who were sitting at the back now are sitting in the front. You'll say, so what? But it's a Herculean change. It's a transformational change.
That is
because now women are finding their voice. And I have been also encouraging, and we are spending money in trying to see that the panchayati leaders, because it's a obligation to take 1/3 of the panchayati as women. And just yesterday there was a debate upon the 30, the Women's Day 2 days back. 33% reservation in parliament is still not come, and they said we will do it in one voice. All the ladies came forward, of the few ladies that are there in the parliament, that we will have 33% by making certain constituencies compulsory for ladies to come. Only ladies can stand for elections, and then keep it rotating, so that
Amazing.
other regions also get a chance to have the ladies come to the fore.
Amazing.
In the beginning, reservation is required, but later on it can go, because then the women will have the confidence to come on their own merit.
Wow. Yes, of course. Of course. There, that is where it matters. Hats off to all of you. Seriously, hats off. Because this is how you change society. This is
I'm
how
so
you
glad.
change.
I think Zilla, you and I have to do a lot to see that this trend continues and flourishes for the future, whether it's music, whether it's women's empowerment, whether it is upliftment of society as a whole. We have a job to do.
Yes, and you all have done amazing stuff, seriously.
Yes, we owe it to the society, we owe it to Abba to continue with the heritage. I would say the musical heritage that both of us have received from our respective parents.
Yes.
Your Abba, my mother. And we need, it's our duty, I would say, to continue that linkage and grow it. And I tell you, looking at the talent which I saw in Saregama, Little Champs, Indian Idol, etc., I believe we have a great treasure of talent. And
yes,
it would be a shame to let it just go.
I mean, that girl who sings classical music.
Shanmukh Priya.
No, Shanmukh Priya is the other one who doodles,
Sorry,
who
yodel.
this other girl who's learned Shastriya Sangeet और उसकी जो गले की ताने हैं, क्या ताने हैं उसकी? Lovely child.
अंजलि जो के लिटिल चैम्प जीती.
बिल्कुल नहीं, अभी वो इसी दफा है. क्या ताने उसकी फिरती है.
Her father teaches her.
Yes, absolutely.
Her father teaches her.
One. अभी
correct,
तो हो रहा है वो. She is in the same one. अभी जो आजकल चल रहा है.
हाँ तो परसों तो देखेंगे ना.
परसों तो आप
Saturday, Sunday देखेंगे. लेकिन amazing, क्या talent है. As you said, the mellifluous voice of that boy. क्या.
Abhishek.
Velvety voice.
Textures, इन लोगों के texture, इनकी आवाजें, इनका वो. अच्छा, I have to share also one very lovely thing, whether we keep it in this or not. But why I'm also saying it, and we should, is a person like Shreya Ghoshal, who is on top of her line right now. So many times she, or Sanadi Chauhan, friends of mine, both of them, very sweetly, so many times Sanadi has also said, she says, I wish at that time when I was starting that young, I wish कि मेरा रियाज मैंने और उस वक्त पे मुझे करा लिया होता किसी ने. They become so busy in doing playback singing that they are overnight successes. They become lovely and they sing so well, they get so busy that they don't have time for themselves. सब चीज के लिए टाइम होता है, पैसा मिल जाता है, शोहरत मिल जाती है, but they regret it so much that they didn't have that time to practice and hone their skills further at that time when they could have. Can you imagine that?
मैंने अभी परसों ही सुना श्रेया घोषाल का बंगाली, she is a Bengali. हाँ. तोरे दाक्षिणी क्यों ना आशी तबे एकला चलो रे. What a beautiful. Even Amitabh Bachchan ji has sung it so well. I will send you. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो मैं भेज दूँगा.
नहीं, जरूर भेजिएगा. ऐसे भी नहीं है, लेकिन I have heard Amitabh Bachchan ji singing it also. Very nice. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে.
You should become a playback singer. You can, because playback singers have to have a versatile.
Let me tell you a story.
The actor.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story. Hari Prasad Chacha. I was around 15, 16. Hari Prasad Chacha asked Abba if I could sing for that song, Morni Bagama Bole Adhi Raat Ko. So he needed a heavier voice, Hare Dhola, like that. He wanted it, which he, of course, later used Ilarunji at that for that portion. So he asked Abba कि मैं ज़िला को गवाना चाहता हूँ. So Abba very sweetly said, नहीं हरी भाई अभी नहीं. अच्छा अच्छा देखेंगे. फिर दूसरे दिन हरी चाचा is very persistent and mashallah when he thinks of something he has to do it and he does it. So then again the next day he asked, and that time a documentary was also being made on Abba. His wife was making, Anuradha Chachi was making. So we were in touch constantly. So again the next day he asked, he says, मैं वो गाना जिला से गवाना चाहता हूँ. तो अब्बा ने कहा, फिर दूसरे दिन ऐसे ही कहा कि अभी नहीं है हरी भाई, ठीक है देखेंगे देखेंगे सोचेंगे, अच्छा अच्छा सोचेंगे. आफ्टर 2 दिन फिर से हरी चाचा ने पूछा. And Hari Chacha is here. You can ask him anytime. I mean, this is the kind of disha. I'm so lucky that I got a guru like
His
that.
son is working for us. Huh? His son.
So I said. So Abba said to him very sweetly one day. He said, "Hari bhai, मैं अगर इसको जिला को अभी से अगर प्लेबैक सिंगिंग में लगा दूंगा, ओवरनाइट सक्सेस बन जाएगी, रियाज छूट जाएगा और हिंदुस्तान को एक आर्टिस्ट ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा फिर." Look at his vision, that there are certain things you can do later, but certain things you will not get a chance to do later is like practice.
मैं कह रहा था कि आपको याद है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में गए थे और मैं डिनर ले रहा था और मुझे सडनली एक बहुत सुंदर आवाज सुनी और मैंने कहा ये कौन हिंदी के गाने गा रहा है. और that was our first meeting in Australia.
Yes, Melbourne.
For the Commonwealth Games.
Yes. That was the first time I met you there.
First, and
as an adult.
And then people were so mesmerized कि आपने कहा ठीक है आप मुझे बुलाइए मैं गाऊंगी और हम लोग सब आए उस शाम को. But I think people don't know that how well you sing Hindi songs, Hindi film songs. वो आपके genre में नहीं आता, I know, but
आता है. Like I love Hindi songs also. We've grown up on all kinds of music. चाहे वो हिंदी
पर आप स्टेज में नहीं गाती है ना.
हाँ, लेकिन बीच में अपने स्टेज में तो हम वही करते हैं जो दिल चाहता है, क्योंकि मैंने सीखा ही ऐसा. I didn't learn it like a performer. There is a difference. I sing.
But I'm so grateful to you for singing those 2 songs which I mentioned. अब जाने की जिद ना करो, if you remember. Because I told me, Neeraj didn't believe me. I said कि ये जो 2 लाइंस गाई हैं वो मेरे कहने से गाई हैं.
नहीं बिल्कुल, वो तो बड़े शौक से आप लोग के लिए. And when I saw you sitting there, I was so happy in NCPA. Very happy, very happy. I mean, NCPA is like home ground for me also. Even when Abba was doing his archives, the archives that are shown today in NCPA of Abba's. So Dr. Menon was there at that time.
Yes, I remember.
And Dr. Menon and of course the NCPA, he was heading at NCPA at that point. So he had asked Abba, and Abba had done his archives at that point. And we are all, as students and lovers of music, so grateful that NCPA actually archived such precious and invaluable material from different artists, and especially Ustad Vilayat Khan, because he would not do it for everybody. He was paid very well. All his everything was met. I mean, all what he wanted was met, and he did it. But we are so grateful that at least we got to listen. We get to listen to um, his playing, his teachings, and his in the archive sessions. It's a different high. And he says, I'm not performing, I'm doing it for archives, which means that this is why I'm elucidating and explaining and bearing how I'm doing it, or how that rag was done, or how that gat was done. I'm bearing all the threads. This is not a performance, it's for archives. And when children will listen to this, they should understand, know how to do it.
And they, NCPA, of course, with the pandemic, it's different now, but they had started from the archives, teaching students who wanted to learn from these great masters.
Absolutely.
From the archives.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's wonderful. Again, coming back to initial thing that your mothers and your father and your grandfather, the great Jamna Lal ji, of course, and your whole lineage is impacted India. Actually, India not, and also your kind of business ethics is very much like Ustad Vilayat Khan's musical ethics. And I'll tell you why I feel, because he also did it without any desire from outside help, whether it is the government sector or any other sector or foreign sector or whichever sector. He did it exactly the way he wanted to do it. And we are so proud of your especially the only company like yours who does it again on their own, without any external anything help or intrusion. And amazing vision this is. So
I will just supplement it by one factual thing. You know, my grandfather was adopted as the fifth son of Gandhiji. And he gave all his wealth away. He was a very successful businessman.
Yes.
And a very honest one. While the other traders used to put water in the cotton to make it heavier so that they could get a high price, my grandfather said, nothing doing, charge higher, because there's no, it's like the milk wala, you tell him, I'll give you only 3 rupees, he'll add more milk to it, or more water to it. So, but he had only 5 lakhs of rupees for the family and the rest he gave it away. That's why we do not focus so much on the wealth. Wealth is just, by the way, it is the principles, it's the ethics which you talked about.
Yes.
That is what we value, the values. We have a comparatively simple living, simple clothes, simple food.
I know.
And comparatively simple living, simple weddings, simple things. But yes, we are proud of a heritage because there are a lot of wealthy people. Wealth is important to help others, but we value values, principles, ethics, honesty. When I went to Aurangabad, of course, I had local people who, and the officers were used to asking them for bribes. And in their companies, chalta tha. I said nothing doing, and they had to tell the officers, now we are in Bajaj Auto. And these people used to crave, because Bajaj Auto is a big company for Aurangabad, they used to crave for a posting there, excise officers and all that. When they realized, I said, they used to stop the trucks and try to arm twist me. I said, "Aap factory band kar dijiye, but hum ek paisa nahi denge." then it became a punishment posting. I mean,
Hmm.
a small example, but yes, we follow the principles and it has overall helped us. In the short
course.
run, it may be troublesome, but
And
in the
it's
long
known.
run,
It's helped you, and it's very well known all over the world also. It's known exactly like that. And even when I met your cousin brother, Rahul Bhai Bajaj in Pune.
I call him brother because you're a joint family.
Yeah,
We say
yeah,
bhai.
yeah.
I say let the world misunderstand, but hum bhai bolenge.
Bhai.
Anyway, go ahead.
When I met your brother Rahul Bajaj Ji Bhai in Pune, this is exactly what I was sitting and saying. With that awe and with that amazement that this is your ethics and you are known by it. It's very, I mean, it's not just very rare, but it's rarest of rare, and you're one of a kind, mashallah. It's a pleasure and an honor to know each one of you for those principles which I have grown up with also. So that is our connection, and that is where I would want to be walking in the same path.
How beautifully you have
With those.
articulated it. I have always praised you for your articulation.
This
I
is exactly
cannot
how I feel.
match those words. Thank you. Thank
So
you so much.
Thank you. No, seriously. And that is the connection of yours and Abbas,
Kya baat.
all of you. And this is how I feel. Thank you so much for speaking and giving so much time, which we always do on the phone, but today on Zoom. And I'm sure that people who are musically connected and business-wise connected, however way, they will see the common ground that we are talking about.
Kya baat
With
hai. Thank you
love.
so much.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure. Aapke saath, it's a new experience every time, but this was a new experience.
This is
And you sent me that gift. If you remember, I mentioned you had sung during one of the Independence or Republic Days.
Ha. Thank you so
Adab.
much, Madhur Bhai. Adab.